Welcome back to C# Tutorials for Beginners. This is the answer to the coding challenge for number 14, for each. Alright, so let's open up our super secret secrets region. Now, first thing we need to do is to create our list to hold our signups. So our list of type string holds our signed up names, and that's a new empty string because we don't have any signups yet. Then everything needs to be in this infinite loop because we want to do this until the application is closed. Now, once we're in this infinite loop, we need to write our header, which is telling them to sign up for the giveaway. Get our user input like normal. Now, for our admin print portion, we need to check to see what our first name and our last name were. If our first name is admin and our last name is print, then we're going to take them to the sign up sheet. If it's not, then we're going to sign them up. So let's skip to the sign up portion first. So if it's not admin print, what we're going to do is we're going to use our concatenation operators with a space in the middle to add their first name and last name to a single string. And we're going to add that string to our signed up names. Once that happens, we're going to acknowledge to the user, thank you for signing up, and tell them to press enter to finish. Now, once they press enter to finish, it's going to hit this read line here, and then it's going to clear the console and go right back up to our infinitely running loop and write the header again. So the reason we write the header every time and not only once is because we're clearing the console at the end. So say we do have admin and print. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and clear the console, and then we want to print a new header showing that it's the signups list. Then for each name in our signup names, we're going to print it to the console so we can show all of our names. We're going to write a line in between, and we're going to prompt the administrator to press enter to return. Now when that happens again, we're going to jump all the way out of our if else to here. When that enter hits, we're going to clear the console and go back up to our while loop and then write our header and wait for new input again. So this is going to keep running over and over again, going through this check to see if admin print is entered. If it is, show our signups. If it's not, add it to our list. And it's going to keep doing all of that until our application is closed. If you have any questions about the coding challenge or the explanation, please let me know in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. Next time we are going to be doing break and continue so we can make our for and for each loops a little more powerful. Happy coding out there, everybody, and until next time, take care.